Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It is time to head in and check out all the deals running in CVS this week. There is a moneymaker on Whitening mouthwash, super cheap secret deodorant, great deals on diapers, hair care, and Tide. So let's head in and check out all the deals there are and follow along. One deal, if you use Garnier products, is pretty good. This week, buy 2 Garnier facial care products and get a $5 extra care back. Plus, check your CVS app or CVS account because a lot of folks have $6 off and a $5 off Garnier facial cleansers with a larger purchase. So one's a 5 off 20, one's a 6 off 25. So it depends on which one you have. I also have a $3 off the micellar water. So you could use that plus the $5 or the $6 off. You're only gonna be able to use one of those large off of a large purchase coupons, but you could use it with the micellar. You could also get the extra care box, depending on how you mix and match that. So grab 2 products, get a $5 reward. So for me, I'm using the $3 store coupon, the $6 store coupon, the $5 reward. Guys, that's $14 in rewards as long as I buy $22 worth of products. Not bad. $25 worth of products. So in the end, I'm paying $9 for, 2 things. It's a really good price when you consider what the normal price for these items are. So mix and match for the products that you need and make your own deal. So an okay deal turned into a pretty fun moneymaker thanks to a CVS store coupon. So check your app, check your account for a $3 off any teeth whitening product or kit. And this counts. So you want the Crest Brilliance White Whitening Rinse. It's on sale $4.99 this week, and it's giving a $2 extra care box. Now, guys, really, its regular price is $7.29, so it's pretty good just with the sale and the reward. But we have a $1 off any Crest mouthwash manufacturer's coupon from the P&G insert. You've got the $3 store coupon that's in your app. That is $4 worth of coupons right there. So you're gonna pay 99 cents and get back a $2 reward. Completely free moneymaker if you have that store coupon. So do not miss that one if you've got it. Guys, depending on your store, there's a great deal on Secret Invisible Spray deodorant this week, specifically Invisible Spray, because our P&G inserts from Sunday have a buy one, get one coupon off of Secret Invisible Spray. Yes, please. So head in, you wanna grab 4 of them, or really, 4, grab 4. We're gonna use 2 buy one, get one coupons. They're on sale 2 for $10. So in the end, you're gonna pay $10 because 2 are gonna be free, 2 are full price. So 2 for $10 in the end for all 4 of them, or $10 for all 4 of them. You're gonna get back a $4 reward. So you just paid $6 for 4 Secret Invisible Spray deodorants. Also check your CVS app. I have a $1 off any deodorant coupon. You could use that too. So now you would pay $5 for all 4 of them. It's $1.25 a piece and a great price for Secret deodorant. Now I say this depends on your store because not all stores sell Secret Invisible Spray yet. It's a newer product. That's why P&G gave us a buy one, get one coupon. So you can go to CVS.com. You can search for the product on CVS's website, and there's actually a button to search for availability in your local store. Do that and save yourself the trip of having to try to find this in your store. Just search their website right then, and you're gonna know before you get to the store and before you get frustrated. But if your store has it, this is a great deal to use those buy one, get one coupons on. This week's big deal in CVS, includes a bunch of products deal, is a buy 30, get 10 rewards back. And it does include a lot. It includes Pantene, Nexus, Tide, Charmin, Bounty. So you can mix and match Pampers. 2 options on the hair care out for you. Pantene is on sale 3 for $12. We got new coupons for $5 off 3. You also have a CVS store coupon probably for $3 off 12. So use that store coupon, use that manufacturer's coupon. You can end up with Pantene for about $1.20 a bottle. That's just after coupons. We haven't even thrown in the rewards. So makes for a sweet price on Pantene. Or head down the hair care aisle and look for Nexus. So we're gonna walk down there really quick. Nexus is also part of this deal, and why I want you to look at it, there are no other coupons except a store coupon, because my CVS account, guys, has a 10 off 30 in Nexus. So if you just did this deal just with Nexus, it would still be a pretty sweet price. So you could grab $30 worth of Nexus, use the $10 store coupon, get back the $10 reward. You're gonna end up paying $10 for $30 in Nexus. So you could do just Nexus, you could do the Pantene, you could also grab the paper goods and the diapers. So let's go there and talk about that option. So in the diaper section, if you want to pair this in, remember with this buy 30, get 10, you can only do this deal once. So you're going to have to pick and choose what you want to grab. But Pampers and Easy Ups are on sale 2 for $20. We did get a $3 coupon in Sunday's paper off of 2. So you could grab 2 of them, have $20 worth, and then use your $3 coupon. You're gonna need other items. I would probably throw in Pantene here. So in the end, you're gonna grab 3 Pantenes. They're on sale 3 for $12. You're gonna grab 2 packs of diapers, use your Pantene coupon for 5 off 3, use your $3 Pampers or Easy Ups coupon. So that's $8 in coupons, guys. You're gonna pay 32 minus 8. So you are now paying 24 and still get back the $10 reward. So you're gonna pay 14 for everything. If you have a store coupon off of hair, you're gonna pay even less. So that's the fun deal. This is a great way if you need diapers to grab the diapers, grab 2 of them, pair it with the Pantene and use all those high value coupons, still get that $10 reward back. Always makes for a sweet deal. You don't have to grab diapers though, because paper goods is also part of that. So let's go and check out all the paper options too. So if you don't need diapers, this is your other option. Tide 100-ounce bottles are $11.94. Bounty and Charmin $9.99. So you could go here. We got $3 off Tide coupons in yesterday's paper. Yes, or there is a one that is available to print. Keep in mind with the printable that as soon as you print it, it's going to expire the next day. That's the stinky part with P&G printables. They all do that. So just only print it right before you go to the store. One option, grab Tide, grab Bounty and Charmin, use your $3 Tide coupon, use your $1 Bounty and Charmin coupons, all from that Sunday insert, and then check your store coupons. I've got a store coupon for $2 off 8 in paper goods. I've got a store coupon for $2 off 8 in Tide. Some of you may have that 10 off 40 from last week in household. You could grab some other deals and use that too. So just with those store coupons off of Bounty, or off the Charmin, using the $2 Charmin store coupon, the $2 Tide coupon, you could actually get these as low as $4.30 a piece, which is a sweet price for Tide. So I'm going to turn this around and show you the deal just so you can see it mapped out. But if you head to CVS or to southernsavers.com/CVS, you will see this completely mapped out as a deal idea for you that you can add straight to your shopping list and head to the store. So I'll turn the camera around though and show you the deal right now just so you can see it, but definitely head to the site and make it easy on yourself and load it to your shopping list. Okay guys, CVS has a house brand called Platinum Radiance. Well, Radiance Platinum, sorry, I had it backwards there. And this week when you buy $15 worth, you get a $10 reward back. Pretty sweet. But check your CVS account, or if you head to CVS.com and you search for vitamins, a coupon is going to pop up that you can even print there. Most of us have a $4 off any $18 purchase in vitamins. So grab $18 worth. It's the best option. And mix and match here. You've got some that are $9. There's some that are as low as $8.79 for vitamin D. So mix and match, grab what you want. $18 worth. Use that $4 store coupon. You now owe $14. You'll still get the reward back of a $10 reward, and then in the end you paid $2 a piece for each of the vitamins that you picked. Or you'll find some that are definitely over the amount that you needed. Grab whatever you think you'll use, but it's a very good price for vitamins if you need them. So a deal that we don't always see, and this one's on house brands. Actually, well, it includes a lot, not just house brands, but I want you to go house brands if you have the coupon. Again, it's most CVS deals require to check your CVS coupons first. I have a CVS coupon this week for $5 off any $10 CVS brand pain relief rubs, creams, or patches. And this week, when you buy $25 in external pain relief, you get a $5 reward. So buy $25 worth of CVS brand patches, rubs, creams, etc. Use the $10 store coupon. You're gonna owe $15, you're gonna get back $5. I know that it's not a moneymaker, but if it's something that you need, you just got $25 worth of house brand products for basically $10 after the rewards. And that's a pretty good deal if you need it. So I didn't want to miss it. I know that free is really where most of us want to focus, but sometimes things that cost money, getting a deal on them if you need them is definitely worth it. And so this is one I wouldn't pass up if you need it. So one deal, no rewards here. Tampax and Always, the smaller boxes are on sale, 2 for $8, and we just got manufacturer's coupons in Sunday's paper for $3 off 2. So if you grab 2 of them, you pay $8, you use your manufacturer's coupon, you're now going to get basically 2 for $5 or $2.50 a piece, which isn't a bad price by itself, but it can get better. Last week, not this week, last week, a lot of us had a store coupon for $3 off of any feminine care purchase of $8. Hello, if you saved last week's coupons, then you are going to end up getting these for $2 in the end, 2 boxes for $2 or $1 a piece. So hopefully you saved last week's coupons. If you didn't, just go ahead and make a mental note or an alarm on your phone to go off every Saturday at some specific time so you can pull up your CVS app and you can just start to save all your CVS coupons because they are going to go away on Saturday night. This is the joy of being paperless. If you save your CVS store coupons Saturday night, the expiration dates automatically change to expire next Saturday. So I didn't use them last week. I've got a whole nother week to use them. If you are not paperless and they print at the coupon center, you have no control over the expiration date. So huge perk of being paperless. I would highly recommend it because this is a great way to use last week's coupon to make this week's deal amazing. So there you go. A few lessons learned for folks that are brand new or just wanting to get started. Sometimes you are going to get to your store, have a huge game plan set in your mind of what you're going to grab, and your store doesn't sell the product. Like The Secret, if you were headed in for that, or other items, maybe they're out of it. So I learned this probably 10 years ago. Really, to sit at home and make a CVS game plan is kind of a massive waste of time. Because when you get to the store, something will change. It is never going to go exactly as you planned. So what I would recommend, I tend to make my shopping list from Southern Diapers because, hey, I made the list. I might as well use it. I gather the coupons. I head in with the hope of getting everything on the list. Get it all in your buggy at one time. And then take over like the office supply aisle. Pick an aisle that's really empty and start to make your plan to check out there. Obviously, to save the most money, I don't want to check out with everything all in one transaction unless you have a lot of rewards. Then you can do that. That's usually how I keep my account, with a number of extra care bucks. But if you don't have a lot of rewards, then you're going to spend a lot of money out of pocket. So you want to aim for buy one thing, use a coupon, get a reward, buy another thing. You get the idea. So if you're brand new, this is what I would start with. I would head in and I would definitely grab the Whitening toothpaste if you have that store coupon. And then I would use that $2 reward that just printed to grab another deal. Now, with this week's deals, it depends on what you want to grab. Most of the other deals that I mentioned today are higher reward deals, but they also require purchasing more out of pocket to get them. So your $2 reward isn't going to make it feel like the next deal is free, but you get the idea. Start small with 1 or 2 items. Don't go overboard. Don't try to grab 14 deals all on your first trip. You're not ready for that. So start really small and get started with maybe 1 deal. Go home with your $2 reward and use it next week. But definitely don't go in with a game plan. I think if anything, it's going to just seriously frustrate you when you go to checkout. So keep it small, just go in with the coupons and let's figure out the plan when you're in the store. So my store didn't have The Secret. that's okay. It didn't ruin my whole experience. I was still fine to grab the things that we did want to grab. And for us, really, I don't shop all of the deals that I mention every week. Just to be honest with you guys, there's a point in your life where you're going to have so much Tide detergent you don't need anymore. And I am no longer in diaper world either, so that's a fun one to pass up. I also really don't need any shampoo or conditioner, so I actually left most of the deals on the shelf. What I did grab this week for me, I grabbed the Garnier Fructis deal because I needed it. Completely out of moisturizing cream. So I grabbed 2 Garnier items. Both of my coupons did come off. I actually had a $7 off too that I didn't even realize I had off of Garnier products, and I used the 6 off 25. So I ended up using $13 in Garnier product coupons, just store coupons. And then I paid with $12 in extra care bucks, got back the $5 reward. I paid 30 cents for everything. That is a sweet moment to pay 30 cents for 2 products. So I didn't get the micellar. That's fine. Having 2 coupons that ended up applying. Now, if you're ever curious what you have, CVS app, now if you scan the barcodes, the app automatically tells you what's available. So for me, when I scan the barcode, after I filmed the little video, I had a $7 off too and a $6. I knew I didn't need the micellar, and it's not a product I would have used. I needed the cream, so I grabbed this, and I grabbed daily firming cream. They both came to right at 25 bucks. So then I used the $13 in store coupons, paid with $12 in rewards that I already had, and owed 30 cents. So fun moment for both of those products, and then got back my $5 reward. So that was my CVS purchase for the week. 1 deal, 1 reward. So after you've been at this for a while, it can get a little slower if you want it to, and hopefully that helps to see kind of the honest side and the real side of what this looks like long term for us. But I still have rewards. I'm also going to earn some beauty club rewards on that too, which is pretty sweet. So it's another $3 reward. And in the end, I love CVS. So hopefully if you're just getting started, you'll start small, and you'll also agree with me that you love CVS after just a few short weeks. So head to southernsavers.com/CVS to see all of the deals this week, to make your shopping list, and to head out and be ready to go to the store. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to catch all of the weekly deals as we share them.